Well, ladies and gentlemen, today is 11/19, and it is a hybrid Thursday. It's day 7 of the Wild Robot. Today, make sure you do your bell ringer right off the bat. You get points for just trying. Do a little Quizlet. Learn vocab and practice. We have a quiz over the 16 through 30 words on Friday. Hopefully, you did your vocab squares. We're going to recap what we went over 16 through 20 on a Padlet, just kind of going over everything. Specifically, look at how Roz spends time observing other animals and what she's learned from others as well. Then we're going to write on our own Padlet after reading chapters 21 through 25. And then there's something called a boom card. We're going to give it a shot. We should have some time to work on our book report. So now we really should know how animals think of Roz, and we can put a few things in. It's a big grade, but it's not due for a while. And if we have some time, we'll do Scholastic. So here's where you check in for your grades. Sorry, for your attendance. Here is Tuesday's bell ringers. We're going to put Thursdays up there now. It hasn't shown up yet, but it will soon. So we're going to take Tuesdays, just put that further down there because we don't need that there. Hopefully you've done that one already. Second, we're going to go over a Quizlet over the vocab words. Maybe we'll even play a little Quizlet live. That'd be kind of fun. Third, we're going to read chapters 21 through 25, preferably in your own book. However, and this is, it got an extra chapter, but if you've already, if you don't have your book, you can read right off of this. Next, Padlet. We're going to go over what's been going on. Click on here and you'll be able to see the Padlet. So this Padlet is for 11 through 30, and that's the other 11 through 15. We should have written 16 through 20, and here's the new one. Roz spends a lot of time observing animals. Describe what she learns, which is something you might need to know for a test coming up next week. We only have Mondays and Tuesdays. Remember to sign in here. And then look at all the people that have been putting things here. You should write down something there on each one of these. Boom card is right here. Something new that a teacher showed me. You log in with Google, and it's going to ask you questions about the 21 through 25, and you just have to log in with your Google ID. And you should be able to get right into there. And I'm going to do my teacher login, sign in with Google, and you should have everything pop up for you, and just answer the questions to the best of your ability. It's just something I'm trying out. Another teacher raved about it, so we're going to take a look at it. It's going to ask you about 21 through 25, so obviously read it first. Library. So I think that's it right there. Wild Robot 21 through 25. Plummet. You kind of answer the question and move on. All right. After that, vocab square. If you haven't done yours, make sure you do that. 18 have not done theirs. Those are 0 out of 10s. That hurts a grade, so change that. Here's your Wild Robot book report that we pretty much did the first couple slides. I need you to maybe do like another slide today. So let's see. We can do the first one, which says basically do your name and the Wild Robot. You can change the background of that. What was she like in the beginning? What do others say about her? Should say her, about her. If a robot is a her. Use a quote. So we're going to try to figure this out here as well. Setting could be done. Where does it take place? An island. Maybe find like a picture of an island. Insert image, and then use the web. Find an island. And you can just put that there. Okay, that's how that could be done. So I think that's about all we can do. Conflict problem. Well, not a little bit. We might be able to do this as well. If we have time, I will put a new thing up here for Scholastics, but I don't know. I mean, that's just in case. This seems to be a lot, and hopefully we take our time and do a good job with this, because we have a test on Tuesday over chapters, it would be 16 through 30. If you guys have any questions, email me. This is Thursday the 19th.